Be careful out there, son. It's a blizzard. Your goal is to keep on trucking. What?
Hey Dad, I want my ice skates.
That's a good idea.
I want my roller skates on.
Well, be careful, protect your head. Try to land the, you know what I mean?
Hey, watch this.
Wow. Rollerblades on the ice?
I love all this ice.
Careful, slow down. Not in the road, bub. There you go. Looks like it. The snow is so frozen that you don't even sink. You walk on the snow. How cool is that? Your feet aren't sinking. Normally your feet would sink and sink in the snow. Whoa, slippery stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Here, slide down.
Look how fun is the ice, Dad.
Slide down the driveway on your butt. Go up to the top and slide down it like a hill.
Dad, do this.
Do it on your butt. See if you can slide all the way down the driveway on your butt. I bet you can. Want me to show you?